Are you struggling with snoring? If yes, I'm sharing you quick tips that will help you and your partner to have a better sleep and reduce snoring. Number 1, don't sleep on your back. Sleep on your side. This will help you to open up your airways. Number 2, elevate your head. Use extra pillows to reduce snoring. Number 3, avoid alcohol just before sleep because it relaxes your throat muscles and causes snoring. And number 4, keep on doing the throat, tongue and jaw muscle exercises. These are the specialized exercises that will help you to prevent your snoring. For more tips, contact the below number. Thank you.